We got a cool clutch here. The truth is, we're hoping to actually have a 2 daddy clutch.
Well, we got our Lav Sunfire female bred to just about every male that we've got in the shop. Look at that.
Our what?
Well, take a look. That girl's a hussy.
She just had 4 guys with her. I mean, geez.
We were desperate. We wanted to make one clutch of something cool. We don't normally do that, but if you read that label, you'll understand that everything we had wouldn't have mattered who the dad was, because it is a co-dominant. And so far, we've proven that it's only one dad, because there's 2 golden childs, and
yeah.
And there's just a.
So far, it looks like it's going to be a Lav Sun to a purple golden.
What's that?
That's a Lav Sun. It's like Mama.
That's a.
Lav
Lav
Sunfire female.
That threw me for a minute, guys, because I knew it wasn't a golden child and I knew it was a morph. So I forgot the mom.
Mom was a Lav Sun. So far, Dad's a purple golden. Lav Sun, purple Sun.
There's a. Yep, nice purple sun.
I like the purple suns.
Purple suns are good lookers. Woohoo!
Ultimate
Look at that.
classic albino.
Look at this.
Another one cutting.
Another one's been working his way out.
Looks like a big healthy clutch.
Oh, don't mind him. He doesn't realize there's a camera over there. He's new. Oh. Well, this is a pretty snake. Sunfire. Lav. Albino Sunfire Lav.
I think I got a Lav Sun Golden.
That's what it looks like.
Lav Sunfire Golden child.
Let me tell you guys. Woo, are they screamers.
How old are they? We did do one clutch of those. We got purple and Lav Sunfire Golden childs. And they're, what are they, a month old?
They're more than that, a couple months old.
A little bit more. And those things are amazing. Just incredible. You wouldn't think you could improve on the albino golden child.
Oh, baby.
You can. That's a nice laugh.
You might not have thought of it. Me and Tim thought we could.
Oh, I just think that it's like, wow, they look so good. How could it get better? And then
there's a nice purple sun. The floating tail purple sun. The Shane Costello. Nah, just.
Let's see what we got.
I'm not doing very good on golden childs.
Nah, me neither. Getting a bunch of albino sunfires.
Of course, I can't quite see this one. He's way down there. Gonna have to wait that one out. Oh, look at this one. This has a cut too. That's already. He already had a cut right there on the side. This one had
Purple
a cut
sunfire. See, and you thought Tim snuck in here and made some razor blade cuts because he was so excited to see what these eggs
Jay
were.
just made that razor blade cut.
Yeah, now he's blaming me for his impatientness. We got another cool clutch coming out soon.
What is that one?
That's the big deal. Ooh.
Wow.
Whoa, that thing is patternless. That is totally patternless neck. That's cool.
That doesn't mean the back will be. Ooh.
Nah, I can see pattern on it.
Purple sun golden.
Purple sunfire golden child. Yeah, when we get clutches like this, we always let, one of the big strong babies will go ahead and cut first.
Golden.
Then we know that they're ready. So we go ahead and cut the eggs after that.
A lot of people start cutting them real early, but I just think all you do is jeopardize animals. And the whole idea of cutting them, look at that.
Save animals.
That's the sun, isn't it?
That's a sun, baby. A Lav sun. The whole idea we cut eggs for is to save babies. So cutting them early, to me, defeats the whole purpose of cutting them.
Sometimes you get a baby that's just confused or maybe a little bit smaller and it's not able to cut through. I mean, these are thick eggshells. So when one is ready, they're all ready. We just cut them open.
What the heck is that?
There's a golden, couple goldens.
Lav golden.
That's got a really
That
weird.
does have a
Wow.
weird.
That looks like a motley.
You know what?
No, it's a sunfire.
That looks like one of those ones
That's
that
a
ends up being solid color. We had that golden child albino that turned almost solid
Oh, there
purple.
we go.
Yeah, it's a sunfire.
That's gonna, but it's a purple
sunfire,
tail.
but yeah,
It's
exactly.
gonna be a purple tail. Woohoo! Purple tail. For anybody that wonders where that is, you have to go to my Facebook.
Yeah, we've had some weird
There's
ones
a
coming
purple.
out.
There's a purple.
Wow,
that's
oh my
cool.
goodness. It's just a golden though, isn't it? No, maybe it's
That's a sun.
Oh, that's a sun. Wow, that's a crazy one.
But
Wait a
it's
minute,
different.
guys. It's got a different color head and a very striped pattern.
Ah, it's a motley sun.
It is,
We
isn't
got our
it?
motley sun albino.
Stepfather clutch.
Ah, we did it.
That is what that is.
That is a purple sun
Is it
motley.
a sun tiger or just a sun? No, it's a sun motley.
I don't know, guys,
That's a
but
purple
how's that
sun
for
motley.
dark?
That's crazy.
That is.
That's what I was hoping for.
That's funny.
I told
We're
you.
looking at it going, wait a
Our
minute.
motley and
Wait a
golden child, they
minute.
tag team. We've had a couple split father clutches on with those two guys.
Hey, he had to put his 2 cents in.
Absolutely. Put it in the right place.
Yeah, because I haven't seen one motley.
No, and that's usually the way split father clutches go. People think they get half of one morph and half another one.
I got a home runner here.
Oh.
You got one too.
What's that,
That's another motley.
That's
Another motley
There we
sun,
go.
and it's a sun, isn't it?
It looks like it to
They're
me.
biting.
They're biting. For you fishermen out there, you know what we're talking about.
Not that we don't like purple sunfire.
They're foaming
golden
in a
shots,
rail.
but it's kind of cool to get a little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Well, the good part is
Mama thought so. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I was saying split father clutches typically only have
what? That is sure dark down there.
one or a few animals.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh!
wow. Was that
Oh!
White
is
sun
that?
Oh!
That's the, I think, yeah, that's a white sun golden right there.
Female.
Look at there. There's a
That's
live,
that
live
one.
sun golden.
Now we have to figure out how that could be in there.
It's not a sun. No, it probably is a sun.
I don't know what it is, but it's got a weird pattern. It's a
Doesn't
sunfire.
look like anything I've ever
It says
seen.
that on the label. It says the only lav. This is a lav female. The only lav male was a platy. So is that a white? No,
No.
that can't be.
That's a
That's something
weird
new.
snake.
It's not a white sun platy.
Nothing's
No,
right. The
that's
pattern's
something
wrong.
new.
The color's wrong. We'll see after
it's
it
a-
sheds.
But it's definitely.
I think it's a white.
It's got.
I get tricked by whites because
Exactly.
they shed and they all of a sudden turn
It's
lav.
a super tiger motley.
Whatever.
Oh,
No, it
what's
can't be.
the
Just kidding.
Oh come on! Can't be Tim. You've seen enough weird stuff happen. That can't be.
It's not Sunday. It can't be.
There's no tiger. Oh, wait. No, mom's not a tiger.
Okay, well that's a nice clutch.
That is a good clutch.
Well, we got some cool stuff in this clutch, guys.
Pretty cool.
You're going to want to look forward to some updated pictures of these, but you know what? You got to go to Facebook and keep an eye on Prehistoric Pets Facebook and go ahead and subscribe to it. Actually, subscribe. That's for you guys that didn't subscribe already for these videos. But actually, we call it on Facebook. Like it, and you'll come up on our feed, and I guarantee you'll see babies out of this clutch on there. See you guys later. Have a good day. Peace out.
Take
Keep
it easy,
breeding your
fam.
snakes.